I'd like to show you how to use Microsoft Excel to perform a one-way analysis of variance. So let's assume we have growth data and it's associated with treatments, and we would like to know whether or not the different treatments have different average growth values. So to do that using Microsoft Excel, basically we have to change the way the data are arranged. So here are how we have the data. We have the growth for a particular plant, and then we have the treatment for that plant, and we have the data organized treatments 1, 2, and 3, and the different growth values associated with it. What we need to do is put this data into the form that Excel needs, and what Excel needs is for each of the different treatments to have its own column. So first of all, let's format these columns so we can take a look and see just what the values are. And we'll go to the format menu, auto fit the column width, and it'll expand those columns so we can see what we have. What we want is to have the data that we've selected sorted. So let's go to the sort menu and tell it we want to custom sort. We want to sort this data by treatment level, and we'll go smallest to largest. So now what we have are the same data, only now they're grouped by treatment. So let's take all the growth values for treatment 1. We'll copy those values and paste them in the treatment 1 column. Probably that way would work best. Here are all the growth values for the treatment 2. And here are the growth values for treatment 3. Now to analyze these data, we go to the data menu in Excel and then over to the data analysis selection. This is an add-in that you have to activate in Excel. It's free and it's included. And we'll tell Excel that we want to do a single factor ANOVA. Click OK. It wants to know where the data are, and we'll highlight these 3 columns of data. We do have labels in the first row, and we'll leave the alpha value at 0.05. That's our level of significance, corresponds to a 95% confidence level. And let's put the results in the new worksheet ply labeled ANOVA. So again, let's go back to the home menu and the format menu and tell it to auto fit the columns. It'll now expand and show us all the information that's in the columns. And what Excel is doing when it does ANOVA is it's comparing the smallest mean to the largest mean. And this p-value of 0.003 is smaller than our critical value of 0.05. So that means there is a significant difference between the largest and the smallest treatment averages. To find out about the differences between the second largest and the largest, or the smallest and the second smallest, we have to use additional techniques. And for that, I'm going to recommend that you use statistics software like Minitab.